The title of Unit 5, Windows and Mirrors, Providing Perspectives. In previous class, I had explained about how to calculate area of triangles. After that, I had explained so many examples also. Now today I am going to explain how to find out area of trapezium. Keep heading, area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Keep heading, area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Left side keep heading everyone. Area of trapezium. Students, you are observing this figure. I have divided into two triangles. First triangle name is ABD. First triangle name is ABD and second triangle name is BDF. This figure I have divided into two triangles. First triangle is ABD and second triangle is BDF. Okay. Now I want to find out area of trapezium. Then I can say area of trapezium is equal to sum of area of two triangles. Suppose this is height. Height will be same for each case. And first base I am assuming A and second base I am assuming B. First base is A, second base is B. Now you are observing students, just now I told to you this figure I have divided into two triangles. First triangle is ABD and second triangle is BDF. Now I can write here area of trapezium equals sum of area of two triangles. Note down, area of trapezium, area of trapezium equals sum of areas of two triangles. Area of trapezium equals a sum of areas of two triangles. This is one triangle, this is second triangle. If I want to find out area of one triangle, we know formula, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. But first base he has given A. First base is A. Then we have in the place of first base into height, first triangle, plus area of second triangle we can write 1 by 2 into base into height. Base into height. Sum of area of two triangles, area of first triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Yeah, we can wait. I will write some other. Equals area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. It will be clear. Area of trapezium equals area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. Now you are observing first triangle. If I want to find out area of first triangle, 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is here A and height is H. Note down, 1 by 2, base is A, height is H, plus second triangle. If I'm talking about, what is base here? Base is B. 1 by 2 into base is B, height is H. Observe carefully, everyone. Yes. Now you are observing 1 by 2 this side, 1 by 2 this side, height is this side, height is this side. It means I have to take common 1 by 2 into height. 1 by 2 into height I have taken common. Then first term A is remaining, second term B is remaining. This is area of trapezium formula. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equals 1 by 2 into height into A plus B. Yeah, we can say height by 2 into A plus B. What is A and what is B here? A and B is called parallel sides and H is called heights. Area of trapezium is equal to height by 2 into A plus B. Note down in formula. Where A and B are the parallel sides. Where A and B are the parallel sides and H is height between them. H is height between them. We can write in the statement area of trapezium equals area of trapezium equals height by 2 into sum of the parallel sides. 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 Area of trapezium equals height by 2 into sum of parallel sides. Keep in box. Area of trapezium equals height by 2 into sum of the parallel sides. First example, First example, find the area of trapezium. Find the area of a trapezium. Find the area of a trapezium, comma, the lengths of whose parallel sides are 80 centimeter and 60 centimeter. The distance between these sides is 25 centimeter. I don't know, ma'am. Yes, this is the example. Example 1 I have written here. Find the area of a trapezium, the length of whose parallel sides are 80 centimeter and 60 centimeter. The distance between these sides is 25 centimeter. Now we are going to solve this question. Don't solve directly any question. Firstly, I have to write what value he has given. Solution. Find the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium equals question mark. Whose lengths of whose parallel sides are 80 centimeter and 60 centimeter. It means parallel sides means the value of A and B he has given 80 and 60 centimeter. You can draw the figure if you want to draw figure. That will be very good. This is A, B, and height. First parallel sides he has given A equals 80 centimeter. The value of B equals 60 centimeter. After that, he has given the distance between these two sides is 25 centimeter. It means height is 25 centimeter. Height h is equal to 25 centimeter. Now I know formula, area of trapezium equals height by 2 into sum of parallel sides, or area of trapezium A equals h by 2 into A plus B. Note down, area of trapezium equals height by 2 into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. I have to substitute the value. Height is 25. 25 by 2 into sum of two parallel sides. First parallel side he has given A 80 and second one is 60. 80 plus 60. 25 by 2 into 140. Area of trapezium is equal to height by 2 into sum of parallel sides. First parallel side he has given 80 centimeter and second is 60 centimeter. Then 25 by 2 into 80 plus 60, 140. Now we have to do simplification. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 70. 25 into 70. 175 and one more 0. 25 7s are 175 and 10 I will write as it is. Square centimeter. Area of trapezium equals 1750 square centimeter. Hence, area of trapezium is 1750 square centimeter. Example 2. Note down everyone, example second. The area of a trapezium is the area of a trapezium is 897 square meter if the parallel sides are if the parallel sides are of length if the parallel sides are of length 32 meter and 46 meter, comma, what is the distance between the parallel sides? Start solving everyone this question. What is the distance between the parallel sides? In this question, you are observing student question. He has given area of trapezium and A value and B value he has given, height is asking. Share your screen.
You haven't made me the co-host, mister.
Okay. I think, right. I am solving this question. Don't worry. This question is very simple question. So many students have solved this question. Yeah, in this question he has given area of trapezium equals 897 square meter. Solution: area of trapezium equals, very good, those have solved, very good beta. At least you are trying. Other students only coming like VIPs. Area of trapezium equals 897 square meter. Next, if the parallel sides are of the length 32 meter and 46 meter, it means the value of A and B. Students, any trapezium question is coming, you have to draw figure 100%. This is A, B, height, right? The value of A he has given, A equals 32 meter, B equals 46 meter. What is the distance between the parallel sides? It means he is asking find the value of H. Question mark. Now we want to write formula. Area of trapezium equals height by 2 into A plus B. Area of trapezium equals height by 2 into A plus B. Area of trapezium already he has given 897 equals height I want to find out, height by 2 into A plus B. The value of A is 32. The value of B is 46. Don't write shortcut. Now 897 into 2 equals height into, we have to add 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 3, 7. Now height equals 897 into 2 upon 78. Simplification, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. Height equals 897 upon 39. Answer is 23. Hence, the distance between the parallel sides is parallel sides is 23 meter.